Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V29 Lite, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to hold the power button and the volume up, and from the boot options select power off. When the device turns off, hold power button and the volume up at the same time, and you can let go of them once we see the fast boot mode. There we go. From here, once fast boot mode is open, using volume down you can scroll and select recovery mode and then confirm it using power button. And here we have our recovery mode. And here we have a couple options like clear data, which consists of clear all data, aka factory reset, or just wiping cache partition. We have safe mode in here. We have some check systems options and install software, and we also have power off and restart options as two ways of leaving the recovery mode. So in any case, I'm going to select restart. Okay, and this will boot me back up into Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.